lights dito, no?
Matutuwa ka na naman. Uy! Ayun! Yes. Guys, this is it. Kailangan natin gawin ng best natin dito. Para talagang mapatawan na tayo.
Tulungan mo ako magbigay ng kalaman, ha?
Uy, mag-ingat kayo, ha?
Opo, mami.
What is this place? Ano meron dito?
Bakit parang walang retreat house dito? Hindi ba tayo nawawala dito? Ha? Hindi ba tayo nawawala?
Hindi po. Nandito na po tayo. Pero as you can see, it's not a retreat house.
Parang kampo to eh.
Kasi kampo talaga to. Kakaibang recollection ito. It's a boot camp.
Boot camp?
You are not here to have fun. You are not here to enjoy. Di ito bakasyon. At hindi rin ito holiday. Itatabi nyo mga cellphones nyo, laptops, radios, iPads, and any form of communication. You will all change. Dalawa lang kahantungan nito. It's either you shape up or you ship out.
Every time I feel like this, there's a new emotion taking place. Let go. Na 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 Love is in the air, and it's getting me high.
Know the